3, 2, 1, let's rebuild.
And here we go with round 21. At the start of auto, the bots following their programming and beginning to take aim at their hubs. Red team, the Red Alliance taking the early lead as we enter into teleop. The team players drivers have the control now. Woo! Deadlock absolutely launching itself over the bump here in the center. Gathering fuel. Blue Alliance has the opportunity to close the gap. Deactivates, giving the red team the initiative. Brownout scouring the center of the zone, firing and pushing fuel into the Red Alliance territory for its teammates. The teammates capitalizing and sending it straight into the hub. Now it's the Blue Alliance's turn. The Blue Alliance with 40 points has a lot of work to do to catch up to the Red Alliance with 148. Points are coming into the hub. Fuel is entering the hub. They'll need to work faster if they want to catch up, because now Red has the chance to widen their lead. Every point counts as the outpost. Human players launching fuel into the Red Alliance's hub. Quickly followed by a fusillade of fuel frantically flung into the Red Alliance's hub. And now we're in the end game. Both hubs illuminate and anything goes. The Red Alliance with 230 points achieving the charge threshold, securing a ranking point. The Blue Alliance doing everything they can, continuing to score points, not giving up. And that's the end of round 21. The Red Alliance takes the victory in round 21, 285 points to 70. Secure